Have you ever wanted to create your own music using nothing but artificial intelligence? Well, if that's the case, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you something that's awesome. This is a free tool. You don't have to pay for it. They give you free credits every single day. I'm going to go ahead and show you this website. It's called Suno.ai, Suno.ai. And what you can do here is you can actually create your own music using nothing but AI. So what we'll do is you just come right in here, you click make a song. I'm just going to review this a little bit with you guys today. I'm sure a lot of you guys might have seen this already, but it's been out for a while. I know they just came out with version 3. Yeah, so this is super, super cool. This is just right here. This is what people have actually created. And we can go ahead and view some of these in a little bit. But what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you exactly how to create them. You can sign up for a free account on Suno and you don't have to pay anything. They'll give you a bunch of different credits every single day. So here we have, this is like some stuff that I just kind of messing around with. And some of it's pretty good, some of it's okay, but a lot of it you can't really tell the difference between this being AI or a real song. And the funny thing is, I had some of these playing the other day over at a buddy's house, and they're like, "Oh, is that?" They were trying to name who was singing the song. I'm like, "No, that's completely made with AI." So, this world's getting really crazy on how all this stuff is coming to play now. You don't have to be a musician anymore. You don't have to know how to write music. You don't have to know how to play music. With this, you can make instrumentals, you can make regular music, you can pretty much do whatever you want. So, with a lot of things coming too, especially Sora, if anyone's heard of Sora yet, the new video model by OpenAI, I can see a lot of people using tools like Suno and Sora together to be able to create music videos, anything like that. But for now, just going to kind of show you stuff like this and show you how cool it really is. So over here on the left side, you'll see you can toggle between custom mode and kind of get a little pop-up about custom mode. Custom mode is where you can actually enter your own lyrics. Oops, gotta accept. You can enter your own lyrics. You can make it if you want an instrumental or not, the style of your music, the title of your song. You can click random style, smooth disco. Okay. We'll just save that. We'll come back. So I'm going to come back over here to non-custom mode, and you can just prompt it like you're talking to ChatGPT. So this one would be song description. This is the easier way to do it, unless you want to write your own lyrics or maybe have ChatGPT write your lyrics. But for now, we can just kind of do this. So the song description, you're just going to tell it exactly, what you want it to make a song about. So let's just talk about create a song about losing my dog. Sorry for all you dog lovers out there. And then about how I found him. I don't know. It doesn't even really make sense, but we're gonna see what it does. What would be a good style for this? We're just gonna say country style, right? So then you just click create and you're gonna wait a few seconds. Here, I'm gonna move myself over, maybe up here a little bit. So you can kind of see the other ones I've created. We're gonna wait for this one to pop up. Let's kind of do it twice. So each time you do it, it takes away like 5 credits, I believe, for each one. And just loading right now. So just take a few seconds. And it's pretty good. So this can make, songs up to 2 minutes long. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to play a few of them for you. I'll mess around with a few prompts and show you exactly how this works. And then you can go try it out for yourself. So I'm not affiliated with Suno. I'm not a partner with them or anything like that. Just showing some engaging content here, really. So for the first one, we're gonna go ahead and play this. This is just a country song about how, and you can see on the right, this is about how, I lost my dog and then found my dog. And you can see, move over, you can see the lyrics that it kind of came out with. So,
Well, I woke up one morning and my heart was aching. My good old hound dog gone without a trace. Oh yeah. I searched high and low through the fields and the pines. Gotta find my best friend, that dog of mine. I asked my neighbors, have you
so you could see there that it does a pretty good job. We didn't give it really anything to go off of. What I'm gonna do is just, yeah, we didn't really give it anything to go off of. And then what you can do if you really like the song and say it's only 1 minute and 30 seconds long or 2 minutes long and didn't do the full song, what you can do is you can actually click continue from this song. You would click these 3 little dots right here, and you click continue from the song. Then what's going to happen, as soon as you click continue from the song, it's going to pop open a new box on the left-hand side here where it's going to put you into custom mode. Where you're going to actually have to write your own lyrics. Don't freak out because it's super easy on how to do this. So what you would do, the easiest possible way to do this, if you kind of want to take what they've already wrote, just copy this entire thing over here. You know, the verse 2, chorus, copy it in. Go over to ChatGPT. Let me see if I'm sharing my screen. So you'd come over to ChatGPT or whatever. And this is if you just want to add on the song. You don't have to. So, you know, something like this, I would just say, I'll move myself back over. I am creating a song. Here's the lyrics. Finish it for me. It can be super simple, right? It's going to follow this structure. So there you go. It gave me verse 3. You know, you just wait for this to write out. Pretty simple. You know, anyone can be a musician now. You can put music out there. I see a lot of people actually selling the music. You know, don't quote me on that, but I see a lot of these videos around about people selling this music, putting it on streams and everything like that. Yeah, so then you would just kind of copy this. If you don't know how to, you can do Control C, or you can do, you know, right click, copy. You come back over to Suno, you enter your lyrics, and then you would have it. You know, you continue from wherever you wanted, and then you just click continue. I'm not going to really do that for now, but you can do that, and it keeps the same exact tone of that song, the same voice, and everything like that. It's pretty nuts. So here we'll go in. Let's do something else. Let's do a song about partying at the disco with the disco theme, right? Something like that. If you guys have any suggestions on the music, if I ever make another video, throw them out and I will do it. Okay. And then we can do groovy style or something like that. You can be very basic with this, or you can go in depth as possible as you want, you know. So we're going to wait for this one to load up, and it should just be loading here in a few seconds. Usually about 10 seconds or something like that, I would say. It's pretty quick. And they used to have version 2. Version 2 kind of sucked, I'm not going to lie. You would get like, you know, 15-second clips or 15-second song, and then you'd have to go in and, you know, keep creating the chorus if you like that song. The version 3 is definitely spot on because it really makes it creating songs and everything like that a lot faster. So here we go. I will play this one, see if we like it. And you can see the chorus here on the right. Let's go ahead and play this.
Saturday night, the lights are low, feeling groovy, ready to go. Miracle spins, the dance floor's on fire, got that disco fever, taking us higher. Beat it and clap, let's boogie all night. Move your body, feel rhythm ignite. Sweat drips.
Yeah, this is really cool. Really, what you can do with it, you know. Here we can do another one. Let's just keep doing this and playing around with this, and then you guys can go ahead and check out Suno. Let me know what you think. It's pretty amazing. So we'll do one about riding in my classic car, living in the South, hip hop style. Click create, and you can see the credits just going down the side. What they give you for free is pretty nice. We'll let this one render again, move myself over, maybe just kind of go over here for now. Just be a few more seconds. And then here I want to kind of say this real quick too. When these are done rendering, when you click on these 3 buttons right here, you'll be able to just click download, and then you can download an audio file. And boom, it just downloads right on your computer. You can download a video file too, and what it'll do is it'll actually just kind of give you this as your video image. It's not moving or anything like that. So here we go. This next one popped up. It named it Southern Ride. And then the genre is Southern hip hop. So let's see what it's like.
Cruising down the streets in my classic car. Windows down, feeling like a southern star. Yeah, bumping to the beat, feel the bass in my chest. Southside living, we're the best of the best. Rolling through the town with that Southern swag, representing where we come from. Yeah, we never lag. Hitting the highway, feeling that breeze. So
Yeah, you can see that. That's probably not an award winner right there, but you can kind of get the hint on how cool this is. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I kind of just want to show this off. A lot of you probably know about this, but if you don't, definitely check it out. It's pretty fun to mess around with. It doesn't cost you anything. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to share it. And I look forward to putting some more videos out there, some more tools. I'm going to be releasing some new courses here soon. So thank you, everyone. And I appreciate you watching.